Yeah. So, hello everyone present here. Myself Abhinav, and currently I am working on Mojafos version 2 project under the mentors Elijah, David, and Tom. So, coming towards the project overview. The problem which is Mojafos currently facing is that the deployment process is very complex and it is very time consuming because of its various libraries and microservices and dependencies present in it. So the complexity presented significant barrier for various other financial institutions to make it difficult to evaluate the full potential of the Mojafos. So the current deployment are only for made for the demo purposes, and I am working on for the Mojafos version 2, which will be the fully functional deployment. And not only it will be using the various other charts which I will be optimized for the efficient resource consumption in the current production environment. So the implementation which I have done till now is enhancing the existing Mojafos script, which will be having functionalities like resource monitoring, the execution timing, and the cleanup processes for the better usability of the deployment. The second one is the disk usage. So it will be used for the getting the how much of the disk the current Mojafos is using. And monitoring resources will be allowed to track and display the execution time of the different processes which will be running under the Mojafos deployment. So the other thing which I have done is the memory resource consumption of the current Mojafos version, which is for only for the demo purpose. It is refactored with the new resources, which is the previous limits of the CPU were 500 M. So it is converted to 100 M, and memory is converted to 256 MI. It will be implemented across various Redis, Elasticsearch, and MongoDB and Mongo Express. So the pull request which I have worked currently is refactoring the existing script to clean up the enhancement, monitor resources, measure time, ensuring TLS secret creation for providing appropriate secret name, and updating the show usage function in the run.sh file of the Mojafos. So the milestone which were achieved till now is fixing of the bugs which were already present in the prior version of the Mojafos, added monitoring instruments for the Mojafos, updating the run.sh file to show the correct uses of the Mojafos. And here were the some of the Jira tickets which were resolved during this time. So the further work will be to investigate to different services with PHE and Mojafos to eliminate all those redundant resources which are having more overall memory consumption, in reducing various parameters to adjust the memory settings and the deployment needs, and will be working on the health chart if needed. We'll be also looking towards the redundant values.yaml files to be correctly applied and debugs all the statements which are not necessary. Uh, and also we'll be looking to infrastructure components which are making use of MySQL and Kafka by both the PHE and Mojafos to reduce the overall consumption. So acknowledgement, I want to thank my mentors who were always present if I had any issues, and they were always up to help me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Abhinav. Looking forward to continued efforts here, and also as we, rebrand Mojafos to Mifos Gazelle. It's going to be a really critical project for the digital public goods effort as a whole. So great effort so far.